Hello, welcome back to another video of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. In this video, we'll talk about another assignment where you have to update the return order status via the X++ code or through the X++ script. So first, let me explain what you have to do in this particular assignment, and then you can write your code. Okay, as you can see over here, that here we have a 3 RMA number. Okay, and you can see that RMA number status is RMA number is there, and each and every status is closed over here, but I have to make it open. Why? Because there is a discrepancy in data. What is means of discrepancy? Discrepancy means when the two data is not aligned with the logic, then it's called the discrepancy of data. So if you'll go inside this RMA number and if you'll check the line level information, then you will be able to see that each and every actually order is not in the invoiced order. Okay, so on that scenario the status should be in open. So this logic may vary depending on the environment or depending on the organization. So okay, but there is a mismatch between header level data status or in the line level status. Okay, so that's why sometime functional guy will tell you to update this type of data return status from closed status to open status. Okay, so that time what you have to do, you have to find out the form name. So this form is actually nothing but the return table list page, and if you will from where you can get it, you have to go to the account receivable orders and then all return orders, then you will get the form, and from there you can check the status or the column name or field name, whatever it is. Okay, so now when you will update the status, it will be look like something this one. So everything will be in the open status, so you have to make it open. So for your information, let me give you a brief information here. So you have to create an X++ class. The name should be answering underscore RMA status update from open to close or close to open. You can give any name, and here you can see I have given one prefix answer. You can give it to any other name or whatever your organization is actually following. You can give the organization name as well. Okay, and you have to update the return status to close for sales table record where return number is this one, and this one. So or there can be an alternative question that you have to update the return status from close to open. Okay, or open to close. So this can be there, and based on that, if it is closed then you have to open it, or if it is open then you have to close it for sales table record. And here you can see the return item number. So return item number is nothing but this first column is the return item number, and I have specified here the number as well. So if this particular RMA number is not present on your environment, then you can change the RMA number based on your requirement, or whatever data is present in your machine, you can use that as well. Okay, so if you have any question regarding this, so you can ask it in the comment section. And here is a small tips. The table name is the sales table, RMA number, the column name, the first column, this one is the return item number. So you have to update the status, return status. So this column name is the return status, and you have to use one enum return status header. So in the return status header, there will get few values for the return status. For example, closed, invoiced, or open. So this type of information enum value will be there, so you have to use that one. So this one is a tip for you to write the code. So if you have any question still, you can write it in the comment section, and if you have if you able to write the code, then paste it in the comment section. I'll check it and I'll verify that. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.